Good evening, y'all. It's already here with Chloe. We're taking a last-minute evening walk through the Redwoods before we have to go to work here in about half an hour. It's August 22nd, Friday. The fog, as you can tell, is coming in. Makes it a very eerie time to be walking at this time. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. I don't see any bears, werewolves, or dogmen yet, but you never know as we head down our normal trail. Chloe needed to go to the bathroom before we head to work. I want to know what everybody's doing this evening, this Friday. I can feel the change in the weather. Summer's slowly turning into fall. Of course, we're going to have some dog summers, as they call it. Dog summer days or whatever. Days may be hotter than normal, but for the most part, it's going to be like this. Chilly. Foggy. Creepy. What do you think, Chloe? Shall we continue? You want to say hi? Hi, everybody. So, with that said, be safe, everybody. As Chloe and we're going to venture here, and then we go to work. We love you all. Please like, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We go on adventures like such. We believe in Bigfoot. I love to bake and cook. We live on a horse farm for now. And we like to go hiking and camping when we have time. Love you all. Gotta go. Bye.